Hello again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to own or customize your AutoCAD drawing interface. Let's dive in. First, we're going to customize our options menu. You right click on the drawing area and then go to options. And here, we're going to customize the size of your crosshair, the colors of your uh, display, and then also the fonts. Let us start to customize the crosshair. You just slide the sliding bar here or type the size you want. This time I type 50. Now let's go to colors. In the interface element, we will change uniform background. I will change uniform background into navy blue. Then okay. I want also to change the grid major lines here, and I want the grid major lines into white. And also I would like to change the grid minor lines into red. Now I have changed background, grid major lines, and grid minor lines. This time I want also to change the color of the crosshairs. The default is white. I change that into cyan, and then I click tint, and I am happy with the changes now. Then I go to apply and close. Next, we're going to change the fonts also. You click font and then find for the uh, font that you want, and this time I want it uh, consolas, and then I want it regular, and then I want the size as 10, and then apply and close. Now let's go also to change the open and save settings. And the open and save settings, there is a file save here where it will tell you the versions of AutoCAD that will open the file. This time I want uh, 2010 version to open the file of my 2023 AutoCAD version. And also, you go to file safety precautions. On the file safety precaution, I want to save my document automatically by 1 minute. So I type 1 and check also automatic saves here. It means that every 1 minute there will be an automatic saving. Next is we go to file open. On the file open, when you open your AutoCAD, it will show the number of recently used files. So this time I input 5, and also I will modify the number of recently used files in application menu. Every time that your AutoCAD is opened, it will tell you the different files you your options to open. So I input 5 also. And now I'm happy with the open and save. I click apply. Next, I will set now the drafting uh, menu. On the drafting menu, there is a auto snap marker size here and then aperture size. I just slide the sliding bar here and make it 25, and then here 50, I will make it 25. And also I want to modify the selection here, and then the same thing, I will choose the fixed box size into 25 and grip size into 25. So if you are happy with that, you just click apply. And then if you are happy with all your customization, you click OK. Now I have changed my uh, background into navy blue, and then the grid major into white, and then the grid minor into red. Now let's go to customization. In customization, it will help you use only the needed tools in your present project. For this example, I will open customizations, and I only want to check the needed tools in the status bar so that I will not be looking at many other tools. So the most important tools I want to use is the model space. So I will check the model space here. I will check the grid here, grid. Then I will check also the dynamic input here, and then the ortho mode here, and then also the polar tracking along with the object snap tracking, and then 2D object. And I also want to show the workspace setting. So, and I also want to show the isolate object, which is here, and then the clean screen. And if you are happy with your customization, you just click it back. Now, in AutoCAD, there are two kind of startup: the basic one and then the standard one. For example, I will show you how to make a basic startup. You type startup here, enter, then type 1. And then when you open a new file, this will be the startup that will show, where you can open a drawing here, a new from scratch, and then from templates. Or you can use, if you are an Imperial user, the English system, you check here. But if you are metric user, you check here. And then click OK. You can also make a another startup by typing startup, then type 2, then enter. In this, uh, you will immediately you will go to these templates, and you can just choose any options you want. But if you want to draw or to use something that without templates, you just come here and then click this icon, and then open with no templates metric, or open with no template Imperial. Next, the next thing to do is we are going to I will going to teach you how this status bar is shown or unshown. For example, the status bar is uh, not seen on the screen. You just type 0. Okay? For example, there is no status bar here. You and then type 1 to show. And for example, also, if there is no ribbon that shows here, you also uh, type Control 9, or simply press the key Control 9 to show control 0, I should say, to show the ribbon. So control 0 to show the ribbon. For example, the command line is not showing. There is no command line here. You type control or you press control 9 and automatically command line will show. So that's how to own and customize your drawing interface. I hope you learned something and thank you very much for watching the video. See you again on my next tutorial.